Hello again, I'm back with cookies, but this time I have beautiful, elegant looking eggless rosette cookies. It looks like a rose and they're just as delicious as the checkerboard cookies. Comparatively, the basic ingredients are same, but they are less time consuming in preparation as they are not required to chill in the fridge now and then like the checkerboard cookies. These are very easy to prepare at your own kitchen corner. You should definitely try making them. So, you're watching Simply Vegetarian and I'm Jeeta. Now let's watch the recipe. Here's I've got 100 grams of unsalted butter kept at room temperature. It's cool in touch but not warm and greasy. Beating this first batch of batter as I'll be preparing two batches. This will be the plain vanilla and the other one will be the chocolate mixed with coffee. And beating this until the texture comes out creamy and fluffy. With a hand whisk, it might take around 5 minutes. Whereas if you're using an electric beater, that might just take around 3 minutes. The butter is nicely creamed and fluffy. Now it's time to add the sugar, powdered sugar. And the powdered sugar I have taken here 50 grams. Beating for a minute, the sugar is well combined with the butter. Now adding some wet ingredients. This is half a teaspoon vanilla extract. And here I am using whole milk. This is 25 grams full cream milk. And all the ingredients are at room temperature. This will make plain vanilla rosette cookies. After all the wet ingredients are combined, I'll remove the whisk. And as for the flour, this is cake flour. I have taken here 140 grams total. Cake flour you can easily prepare at home. Out of this 140 grams, remove 2 tablespoons of flour. Instead, add 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Else you can watch my video on cake flour recipe. The link I'll provide in the description box below this video. And of course a pinch of salt I forgot. But this is optional, you may add or you may not. Just a pinch. Now at this point we will not beat the batter. We'll gently combine them. This batter will be ready within 10 minutes. I'll not overwork with this batter. So this is done. Now I'll transfer this into a piping bag. This is 1 mm piping nozzle for the rosette. A tray with the parchment paper is ready here. Now we'll start piping rosettes. Before that, just secure the paper on the tray so that it doesn't move while piping. Now these will go into the fridge for 10 minutes. Until then, I'll preheat the oven for 10 minutes. Then I'll bake them at 190 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. But please bake as per your oven as it might just take 12 to 15 minutes. Now for the coffee chocolate batter, I've taken here again 100 grams unsalted butter. Nicely cream them for 4 to 5 minutes and then adding sugar. Powdered sugar I have taken here 10 grams more, that is 60 grams. Adding vanilla half a teaspoon. This is coffee powder 5 grams and full cream milk 35 grams. I'll dissolve the coffee in the milk. Pour it directly and mix all together. Once nicely combined, then adding the dry ingredients. Sifting the dry ingredients is important for lighter cookies and to get rid of any lumps. Now this is 110 grams of cake flour and 20 grams of cocoa powder. And I'm not adding salt in this as it has coffee. Then gently mixing them into a smooth batter. Now this will go into the piping bag. Here I am using the same 1M nozzle. You may use 2D nozzle if you have. Again, these will go into the fridge for 10 minutes and will bake at preheated oven for 20 minutes. Now I had kept a portion of each separately. I'll combine them and create a combination design. I'll use this cling film to wrap the batter. I haven't tried this before, but let's check how they come out. So this will be the combination design. And here I have been using the same parchment paper for baking all the cookies. The design will remain the same. Once baked and cooled down, you can enjoy the cookies as it is, but I have some leftover fillings with me. This is leftover buttercream icing, the one I used in the fault line cake. And this one is Nutella. This is all I have left. I'll scrape them all and transfer in this piping bag. These cookies are well baked and cooled down completely, and my fillings are ready. Have a look both sides. So here are my elegant looking eggless rosette cookies ready to be relished. You can enjoy them at tea time or any time as snacks. Either fill them with cream, chocolate or icing, or enjoy as it is. They are slightly crispy, soft at the same time, and buttery with a melt in the mouth texture. And for me, this one looks okay, not so bad. Hope you like this recipe, so give it a try. Thank you for watching, subscribing. If you haven't yet, please subscribe, and meet you soon in my next video. Till then, enjoy the cookies.